The war in West Asia is now shaking the global oil market, and India could soon feel the heat. Oil prices jumped as tensions between Iran, Israel, and the United States intensified. The biggest concern? The Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical oil routes. Nearly 20% of global oil and LNG passes through this narrow waterway. But with Iran declaring the strait effectively closed and threatening vessels attempting to cross, shipping traffic has plunged dramatically. For India, the world's third largest crude oil consumer, the stakes are enormous. Around 40 to 50% of India's crude imports travel through the Strait of Hormuz, mostly from Iraq, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Kuwait. If the disruption continues, India may have to rethink its entire oil supply chain. One option being considered is the Cape of Good Hope route, sending tankers around the southern tip of Africa. But that journey is far longer and far more expensive, adding 15 to 20 days to shipping times and significantly increasing freight cost. For now, officials say India has around 40 to 50 days of crude reserves, including commercial and strategic stocks. But if the conflict drags on, the pressure on supply and prices could intensify. Oil prices have already climbed close to $85 per barrel, and experts warn prolonged disruption could push prices even higher, raising India's import bill and fueling inflation. And now, another geopolitical twist is emerging. Russia has reportedly signaled it is ready to help India weather the crisis, with around 9.5 million barrels of Russian crude already on vessels near Indian waters, capable of reaching the country within weeks. As the Middle East crisis redraws global energy routes, India may once again turn to Moscow to secure its oil lifeline. With Shaurik Shah, Bureau Report, India Today Global.